How to add ranking questions in Google Form. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So on the Google Form right here, the first thing that we need to do is to click this part right here, wherein you can choose multiple options, whether you want it to be a short answer, a paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, and so on. Now, since we want to add a ranking question right here, as you can see, Google Form doesn't have that feature yet, but we can do that alternatively by clicking this multiple choice grid. And then once you do that, rows and columns will show up right here. So what we're going to do on the column, this is where we're going to put the ranking of each question that we're going to put on the rows right here. So let's say, for example, that this is what we're going to add. Now, once you have added those, make sure that you require a response in each row. And then once you do that, if you go here and check the preview of your question, this is what it will look like. So they're going to rank it based on this one right here. So let's say, for example, that they want to rank it like this, number 5 being the first, and then number 1 being the last. So that is how they can rank them. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add a ranking question in Google Forms.